For more than 30 years, Quadra Manufacturing, home of the Bigfoot leveling system, has been turning out innovative products designed to keep RVs level and stabilized. A family-owned and operated company, we focus on quality-built products. All of the major components used in a Bigfoot leveling system are manufactured in-house, with non-critical items sourced regionally, making your Bigfoot leveling jacks proudly made in America. With a lifetime guarantee on all cylinders and an industry-best system lifespan, you will get many years of use from your leveling system. With industry firsts, like our quad pump leveling system that has an individual power unit, pump, motor, and reservoir for each jack, and the first travel trailer hydraulic leveling system, Bigfoot strives to develop cutting-edge products that meet and exceed our customers' needs. Our team of dedicated, trained installers can install your system here at our corporate headquarters. Most installations can be completed in one day, and getting to your appointment is easy with optional overnight parking, which includes 30-amp electrical hookup for your convenience. Our complete leveling kits can also be shipped to your door for user installation. With systems designed for all types of motorhomes, many types of travel trailers and fifth-wheel campers, as well as horse trailer landing gears, there is most likely a system just right for your application. Our commitment to delivering best-in-class customer service with 24/7 technical support and one of the best warranties in the industry makes Bigfoot Systems the first choice in levelers by RVers.